guys. Just started up. Running super good. Wait on this thing right now. Dial in the weight. Okay guys, I'm on a pretty good even surface, so we're gonna get jacked up. Let's get the scales on here. Okay guys, the scales are hooked up. Guys, if you want to see a review, a total review on this vehicle scale, I did a review on this ProForm scale on my channel, guys. Check it out. If you want to learn how to use this quickly and easily, the video's on my channel. It's a good video. I think you guys should check it out if you're interested in using this scale. So you'll get the weight on this thing now. We'll jack it up, get some weight. Okay guys, we're under there. Don't forget to turn it on first before you let the car down. Make sure you tear it. Let's let the car down. Okay guys, we're all the way on there, on a pretty even surface. All right guys. What you guys think it weighs, guys? You ready to see? I'm excited too. I see a number. I see a number. Let's go. Let's see what it weighs. There you go, guys. Bam. Surface is pretty even, a little off. Left front, left rear, 3278. Let's see what it weighs in kilograms. 1486. Okay guys, we got all the way dialed in from the 92 Camaro, the 79 Camaro, and the 83 Firebird. In the same vicinity. I was gonna kind of race them by weight, guys. I was gonna go by weight, whichever ones weigh closer together and race them, but I didn't campaign this 92 Camaro versus the 79 Camaro race for a minute, so I'm gonna do those first, and the winner get the Firebird, guys. The winner of those two take the Firebirds. We're pretty much dialed in. I gotta get the exhaust fixed on the 92 Camaro, and I'll be doing it in a couple days. I'll have a video on the channel in a minute for that, and we'll be ready to go. We'll be dialed in, guys. And the Nova, changed the rear end in the Nova. I'm about to do it, put an amazing 4 9-inch rear end in the Nova. It already got a really nice rear end in it, 12-bolt Chevy rear end, but I'm gonna put a 4 9-inch amazing rear end with disc brakes all the way around it. So be looking for that video too, guys. So if you found this video helpful, entertaining, if you like the content I'm posting, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload new content. Terrence and I'm out.